Looking for a fun way to keep your kids active while enjoying family time at home? Dance mats are becoming one of the most exciting ways to combine fitness, gaming, and entertainment. In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 best dance mats for 2025 that bring energy, laughter, and movement right into your living room. Starting at number 5, we have the FWFX wireless dance mat, a feature-packed option designed for both kids and adults who want a complete entertainment system at home. This is more than just a dance mat. It works like a mini fitness studio combined with a game console. With a powerful internal chip, this mat delivers smooth visuals when connected to your television, computer, or projector. You get access to a wide variety of modes, including dance challenges, cartoon themes, yoga sessions, and even interactive camera-based games. It comes loaded with hundreds of songs, games, and exercise videos, plus regular updates to keep things fresh. One of its biggest highlights is the plug-and-play setup. You can connect it in minutes without needing internet access, making it perfect for instant fun. The built-in smart camera tracks your movement in real time, turning your workout into an immersive experience. Add in the colorful disco lighting, and your living room quickly transforms into a dance party. The mat itself is made from durable and comfortable materials that protect your joints during activity. It also features a non-slip base for safety and can be folded for easy storage. If you want something that blends fitness, gaming, and family bonding into one package, this is a solid choice to start the list. At number 4, the GOODaaa Dance Mat game stands out as a highly interactive and versatile option for families who love variety. This mat brings together dancing, sports, and classic games in one engaging system. Once connected to your television or computer, you unlock a large collection of dance songs, puzzle challenges, motion-based camera games, and even guided yoga sessions. Whether you want a fast-paced dance battle or a relaxing workout, this mat gives you plenty of choices. What makes it especially appealing is the dual dance modes. There is a music video-style mode for adults and a colorful cartoon mode that kids absolutely love. These options make it easy to keep everyone entertained regardless of age. The motion sensing feature adds another layer of excitement. You can play sports-style games, like running challenges, table tennis, and more, all while staying active indoors. It is a great way to encourage kids to move instead of sitting in front of screens. Comfort and safety are also well covered. The soft surface feels good under your feet, while the non-slip bottom keeps everything stable during intense sessions. It also folds easily, so storing it is simple. With wireless controllers and vibrant lighting effects, this mat creates a lively atmosphere that makes every session feel like a party. Coming in at number 3 is the interactive dance mat, a fantastic option for families, couples, and friends who want to turn any room into a fun activity zone. This mat focuses on combining entertainment with personal development and physical activity. It comes with a large built-in memory card that stores music, videos, and games, giving you a wide range of content right out of the box. The included wireless remotes make switching between modes quick and convenient, whether you are dancing solo or competing with someone else. One of the standout features here is the adjustable difficulty levels. Beginners can start slow, while more experienced users can challenge themselves with advanced steps. This makes it suitable for all age groups and skill levels. The mat is designed with durability in mind, using strong materials that resist wear and tear over time. It also features a thick, cushioned surface that helps protect your joints, making it comfortable for longer sessions. Another great advantage is the ability to update songs and content. You are not stuck with the same tracks, so the experience stays fresh over time. Beyond entertainment, it helps improve coordination, memory, and confidence, especially for kids. It also encourages social interaction, making it perfect for family bonding. If you want a balance between fun, learning, and fitness, this option delivers a well-rounded experience. At number 2, the folding dancing pad offers an excellent mix of convenience, performance, and family-friendly features. This mat is designed for households that want flexibility without sacrificing entertainment value. One of its key advantages is its foldable design, making it easy to store under a sofa or inside a cabinet when not in use. Despite its compact storage, it delivers a full range of features once set up. You get access to multiple game modes, including dancing, running challenges, puzzle games, and motion-based sports activities. There are also built-in yoga and exercise programs, making it useful for both fun and fitness. The dual dance modes again play a big role here. Adults can enjoy music video-style tracks, while kids can dive into colorful cartoon-themed songs. This ensures everyone in the family stays engaged. The mat includes wireless controllers for multiplayer fun, allowing you to compete or cooperate with friends and family. The addition of motion-sensing games like running races and sports challenges keeps things dynamic and exciting. Durability and safety are also strong points. The waterproof surface is easy to clean, and the anti-slip base keeps the mat steady during use. With its balance of portability, variety, and interactive features, this dance mat is a great choice for active families looking for a reliable and fun indoor activity. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the motion-sensing double dance mat, a complete entertainment system that delivers the ultimate dance and fitness experience for families. This mat is designed for 2 players, making it perfect for competitions, group fun, or parent-child bonding time. It supports a wide range of activities, including dancing, running, puzzle games, and even guided yoga sessions. With a large selection of built-in songs, games, and exercise routines, there is always something new to try. The dual mode system allows you to switch between realistic music video experiences and fun cartoon environments, keeping both adults and kids engaged. The motion-sensing camera is a major highlight. It tracks your movements in real time, making gameplay more immersive and interactive. You are not just pressing buttons, you are actively part of the game. The mat itself is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and comfortable. The cushioned surface helps reduce impact on your joints, while the non-slip design ensures stability during energetic sessions. It also includes wireless controllers, colorful lighting effects, and an easy setup process, so you can start playing almost immediately. If you want the best overall combination of fun, fitness, and family interaction, this dance mat easily earns the number 1 position on our list. That wraps up our top 5 best dance mats for 2025. Whether you want fitness, fun, or family bonding, there is something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which dance mat you would choose in the comments below.